Yeah, baby. We cooked the internal of these to 185. Smell good on there. Tandoori chicken. I got a taste for some Indian cuisine. So we got ourselves some chicken quarters. We're gonna get these up in here. I cleaned them off already. Did a little trimming to them. You know, I still wanted some skin on them. So the star of the show is gonna be this season here. This tandoori masala. That's the heart of everything. But we got some other stuff too, of course. So what I did was take 2 tablespoons of the masala. I did 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt. I did 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. In she go, like that. I got 2 freshly squeezed lime juice, and I got 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. So we about to have some flavor, y'all. Just get it all, just get it here like a kid, and just get it all together. Get that flavor all just everywhere. Can you smell that?
Yeah.
Man.
Smells good. Great.
Wee. So, I don't know. I might not even do no wood with it. If I do, I might do something light, maybe like pecan wood. I'll let y'all know that tomorrow. So, it's nighttime. I'm gonna go ahead and season this up. Gonna let it sit on in the refrigerator overnight. Tandoori chicken.
Put the slits in it.
That's what the grandmama hymns. Tandoori chicken. Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Folks, I got this rolling now at about 275. We gonna do a flippity flip. Probably just let it roll like a whole 45 minutes before we do a flippity flip. Got the meter 2 probe in there. Let me know kind of like when it gets kind of like halfway and do a flip. Or I may do like 8 different flips.
Depending on how you feel.
All right. Well, yes, I'm expecting this to be good.
It
All right.
smells good already.
I'll see y'all back when it's time to flip. See, I took my time.
Yeah.
I've been letting this roll a whole 45 minutes. Okay, okay. Okay. I'm liking the color. Yes. That looks good, yeah. Come on. Okay. That sucks. But it's all right. All right, we got about 30 more minutes. Let me swing this a little bit. Yeah, like that. Yeah. All right, we'll be back when we take this off. I can't wait to eat it. I jazzed it up a little bit, y'all. I jazzed it up a little bit. Yeah, baby. We cook the internal of these to 185. We want to get them super done and juicy. Man, that onion smell good on there. All right, baby, let's get ready to take this in. But I'm gonna put this naan bread on here. So I gotta clean this off a little bit. Throw the naan bread on there, get a little char to it. It's gonna be good, baby. All right, got some garlic bread. Nice and buttered. Buttered and tuttered. Mm-hmm. See what I'm talking about? We ready. Look how fancy up the rice. Ooh, this naan bread. Oh, look at this chicken. Oh my God. Gotta get some of these vegetables right here. I'm gonna steal some from you. How about that? How about that? I need some of this.
That smell is amazing.
I need some of that. Oh, sorry, I'm messing up the presentation. I need more red. So this looks delicious. Let's see if it tastes delicious. All right, smoked and grilled tandoori chicken. Shut your mouth. Baby. Baby. This is it.
I'm ready for you to wrap it up.
This is it here. Check this out, y'all. What I did was it slow cooked right about 275 all the way through. So then I threw my naan bread on there. Almost burned myself. Basmati rice. Hey, Indian cuisine. You know what I mean? Yep. But check this out, y'all. I want y'all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We gonna get on to eating. And like I said, we gonna keep on cooking up good stuff all the time. At least try to. All right. Catch y'all on the next one. Much love and appreciation. Peace and love.